Hello everyone, Mike Lovelace with Lovey's Fat Life, and today we're going to check out the laundry locations on the Carnival Sunshine. We have a little information we found for you here off their website. You got deck 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The locations are listed here. Every self-service launderette has 2 or 3 washers, 2 or 3 dryers, ironing board, usually a sink to wash out things, and then you got vending machines, dispense boxes of detergent or water softener. And then also this is a little bit of pricing information on the laundry service for Carnival. I would say that it could easily go up at any time due to the cost of supplies nowadays, but let's dive into this and let's go check out the launderette on deck 1.
All right, this is deck 1 across from 1555. This is a launderette area. Got one of them that's out of service. It's a dispenser for your soap. You use your sign and sell card. It's $2. So they got a total of 6 machines in here, 3 washers, 3 dryers, and then a stainless steel sink here to rinse out stuff. There's kind of the instructions right here. Load machine, selected cycle, close door, input machine number on the keyboard and press enter. Insert and remove cell and sign card, and then press enter key to confirm. So this is on the Carnival Sunshine.
Thank you for checking out this quick video on the Carnival Sunshine and where you can find the laundry locations for self-service. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We got plenty more videos coming out on the Carnival Sunshine. Thank you.